Welcome to Noodles Italian Cafe and Sushi Bar. I'm Chef Seth. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make our seafood risotto. Our previous episode, we showed you how to make the risotto from scratch. So now we're going to turn that risotto into our seafood risotto. On the menu, on the special, I call it the most amazing seafood risotto. Why? The risotto is delicious, but when you cook the seafood, it starts releasing all its flavors, and the juice comes out of the shrimp and the mussels and the clams. You cook here with a little canola oil. You're not using the oil to fry the food. You're using the oil so your food doesn't stick to the pan. There's some nice large shrimp. Those are 1620s. Piece of mahi, piece of salmon, some little neck clams, some PEI Prince Edward Island mussels, and we're going to sear all this to get it started. The risotto is already prepared, so that'll get folded in the end. You want to get your oil smoking, barely a teaspoon in there, not even. Just to where a little smoke is coming off of it. That's so your proteins don't stick to the pan. What I'm going to do is take a little seasoning on the shrimp, a little bit on the fish. You have to season your proteins, steak, chicken, whatever it is. You have to season it really good. We start out with the things that take the longest to cook, which is the fish. You give that a second. See how it doesn't stick? That's because the oil is nice and hot and the protein seared up, locked in all the juices instead of juices running out into the pan. So we're going to cook that about 3/4 of the way because the shrimp, clams, and mussels all cook really quickly. Now we're going to add the shrimp. I'm going to sear them a little bit right on the pan. A little sear going on them, lock in the flavors. Now I'm going to add the clams. The mussels. Salmon's got a nice sear on it. The mahi's almost cooked all the way. The mussels are starting to open up, as you can see. The garlic is cooking in there really good. We're going to add a little bit of white wine. Now the flame is okay. Glaze that with white wine. This is a little seafood stock, okay? You can buy seafood stock, or you can make it. Don't forget, we're going to add the risottos to this, so it's going to soak a lot of that juice. You can see the clams are opening up. Now, I like to use these fresh plum tomatoes in juice. I'm going to add 1 cup of the risotto. I'm going to toss it. This is about 2 minutes away from being ready. Now's the time to call your honey. Honey, dinner's almost ready! Now I got to make this look pretty. All the seafood is released, all kind of flavors, delicious. Shrimp on top, cheese, and seafood. So if you're sitting out there in internet land watching this, don't yell at me. I like to put cheese on it. It's my food. I can do what I like, right? You can too. So again, a lot of cultures don't like to mix cheese with seafood. But they're not supposed to or about to. But it's my dish. Enjoy seafood risotto.
Tune in every Wednesday for Noodles recipes, tips, and tricks. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Chef Seth Berman.